Looking to outsource for your business needs? We are right here. Why should you outsource accounting services? Saving costs. As previously highlighted, hiring a virtual accountant or an external firm means that you don't have to invest in infrastructural costs of having an accounting department in-house. Being able to focus on work that really matters. If you are a CEO who previously was handling accounting all by yourself, hiring a third party means now you have free time to focus on other things. Hiring professionals. Virtual accountants and experienced accounting outsourcing companies are not only professionals, they are also certified with having studied in the relative field. Efficient use of resources. Along with saving costs, you are also able to allocate the freed up resources in your office, whether that be money you saved from reduced costs on unused infrastructure, to more efficient use. Dependable service. If you choose an experienced accounting outsourcing service provider, they will provide their service in a timely and reliable manner. Reduced fraud. Quality accounting outsourcing service providers ensure that there is reduced manipulation because there are multiple set of eyes overseeing the team/employee. Reasons to outsource accounting services: to save cost, to minimize capacity of in-house employees, to invest and focus more on core business functions, to have access to the professional accounts. Our services. Finance and accounting. We assist finance leaders in addressing the constant upcoming challenges arising from introduction of new complex tax compliance. Tax is the single biggest compliance burden and concern for businesses globally. Regulators are constantly increasing tax rates. Management consulting. We help clients formulate their corporate strategy, enabling them to build more effective organizations, reduce costs. Accounting advisory. We assist finance leaders in addressing the constant upcoming challenges arising from introduction of new complex process advisory. We assist clients in designing core and supporting business processes, facilitating the handling of day-to-day operations. Outsourcing, BPO/all. We engage in business process outsourcing for two main areas of work: back office functions and front office functions. Our clients. Contact us. Thank you.